Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily buy a domain in GoDaddy. So all you have to do is head over to GoDaddy's webpage, and from here you can easily just type in the domain that you want to check out or you want to purchase, or you can simply just head over and check out this banner or window, and from here just click on let's go button. Here you just have to give them the idea, or the AI the idea about the website or the domain that you want to purchase. Say for example, let's try to type anime and just click on this button. And from here, their AI feature has generated all the domain available that is related to anime. If you scroll down, you can see anime.ph. You also have here a few more options that you can purchase, and also the price of the domain that you're going to pay. And once you've decided which domain you're going to get, say for example, we're planning to take this domain, just click on this like cart button. Next is you will be redirected to the domain registration page, and from here you can customize or add some features for your domain. You can choose to protect your domain with this add-ons, and you can also choose this get show in bio feature. You can also build credibility with the custom email address, and from here you can also see the price for the features that you want to add. Then once you've decided, you can just proceed by clicking on continue to cart. And once done, all you have to do is just click on ready for checkout. So from here, all you have to do is just log into your account. And from here, all you have to do is just fill out all the necessary information for billing information purposes. And you can also just simply log in to your PayPal account if you're going to use PayPal as your mode of payment. And from here, all you have to do is just add your payment method. You can just enter your card number or log into your PayPal or GCash, and once done, just click on review order. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!